Look at that. That is a dad. That big one is in here. Oh, mercy. How big are you anyway? Now watch my battery be dead. Now here we go. I'm excited. Oh. And there had to have been a big one in here. And there he is. That's a fatty. So they're eating stuff in here. Come on. Come on. There you are. How big are you, big boy? Now hold steady. Don't jump around. $5.4, 2 to 4, 5 pound. Look at that big hoss. My goodness. Goodness gracious. He's a fatty. I gotta get you back in the water now, big boy. Thank you. Thank you. Look how fat he is. So there is food in here. Look at the bucket mouth on that dude. Oh. Let's see here. Let's see. I wonder how long you are. You're a good one. Look what a fish. Mercy sakes. All right. Okay, well, let's get you back in the water, biggin. Thank you for getting on my line and getting me in here. Oh. All right, big boy. Thank you for getting on my line. You are a nice one. All right. Let's get you in there. You ready to go? Going back in there. Get bigger. Just saunter your way right on. Look at that. Oh, man. He wanted that thing too. He flat out nailed it. Woo-hoo-hoo-wee. All right. Now that's what I'm talking about. So that big one was in here.